former Milwaukee police officer accused of reckless homicide taking the stand in his own defense.
Michael Mattioli is accused of killing Joel Acevedo in 2020 by putting him in what another officer described as a chokehold during a fight at Mattioli's home. 12 News' Nick Borer is live at the safety building.
And Nick Mattioli says he still does not believe he's responsible for Acevedo's death.
Well, Michael Mattioli detailed in court today for the jury how he met Joel Acevedo, who worked as a security guard for Northwestern Mutual at the time. He said the two had hung out socially only one other time before the night of the party at Mattioli's house. Mattioli telling jurors he woke up after a night of drinking to Acevedo going through his pants pockets, leading to a fight.
Did you punch Mr. Acevedo then?
No,
Did
never.
you kick him?
No.
And by the way, did you have a service revolver in the home that day?
I did have my my duty gun in the house, yes.
Did you ever for 1 minute think of retrieving your duty revolver?
I did not.
And why didn't you punch Mr. Acevedo in response to him putting his hands on you and punching Mr. Peters in the face?
I didn't feel the need to hurt him. I didn't want to hurt him. I just wanted to hold him down until the police could arrive.
And when officers did arrive, body camera video showed Mattioli on top of Acevedo with his arm around his neck in what one officer described as a chokehold. Acevedo was unconscious on scene. He died 6 days later. On cross-examination, the state questioned Mattioli about the use of force.
The first words out of your mouth when somebody asks you, is he breathing, are, quote, I don't know, period, end quote, correct?
I said, I don't know, handcuff this guy.
Nick Mattioli's testimony aside, does the jury have reason to doubt the homicide charge?
Right, there were medical witnesses on the stand all morning long for the defense. They had several doctors who said Acevedo's condition before the chokehold could have played a role in his death, a bigger one even than that so-called chokehold, namely his asthma, an immune disorder, and the fact that he was using cocaine and drinking alcohol in the hours leading up to his death.
Testimony resumes tomorrow. Nick, thank you very much. Mattioli, by the way, no longer an officer, resigning after prosecutors charged him with reckless homicide in this case. And we are streaming the entire trial on the 12 News mobile app. After each day of testimony, our legal expert, criminal defense attorney Craig Mestantuno, will provide his perspective on the case during 12 News at 6.